Now, use the edge of that to polish that, and you'll see it where it polishes it smooth. A little bit more. Come down a little bit more, like that. In that crease, and get that smoothed out. Yep. Now see this little spot right here? Get that right there. If you want to, you can drop this down over your arms. You promise me you'll leave that. You got to use it like that, though. Like this. See how it's smoothing it out right there wherever you're touching it?
Yep.
You want to do that. See all these grooves in there? You want to get all them out of there. And all the dark spots. You want to make it shiny. Up here, too. You got to get them all out. Right here, too. Here, hold on. Let me see this.